Hello friends, welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'll be showing you a quick guide on how to create a group on WhatsApp. The first thing to do, of course, is to tap on the WhatsApp icon on your home screen to open the app. Once it is open, you will see several tabs at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the chat tab, which is located at the second tab on the right. Then you look for the new chat button at the top right corner of the screen and you tap on it. There you see a list of your contacts. Tap on new group. Then you tap on the names of the contacts you want to add to the group. Once you've selected all the contacts you want to add, tap on the next button at the top right corner of the screen. You'll now be prompted to give your group a name. Then you enter a name for your group. You can also add an icon to your group by tapping on the camera icon next to the group name field. This will allow you to select a photo from your camera roll to use as the group icon. Once this is done, you tap on the Create button at the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations, you have successfully created a group on WhatsApp. You can now start chatting with all the members of the group by tapping on the group chats. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more video tips. Bye, and see you in the next video.